Today let's try to fill air into a balloon by causing a chemical reaction. All you need for this experiment are 4 simple household items: an empty water bottle, some white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and of course a balloon. Let's begin. First, add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda directly into your balloon. Then, you will pour the vinegar into your empty bottle. Carefully place the balloon opening over the mouth of the bottle and make sure the baking soda falls into the vinegar. By now, your ingredients have started mixing and fizzing. And look, the balloon is filling up. How do you think that happens? When combined, the vinegar and baking soda undergo a chemical reaction which forms water, sodium acetate, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide or CO2 is the gas which is filling up into the balloon. So cool, right? Stay tuned to Noon for more cool DIY experiments. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. Join our 100% free learning community on the Noon app. Download now.